Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2009 Dodge Journey RT in black with black and gray leather interior, seating for 7, 4 doors and a hatch, and this has a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's an all-wheel drive, and it also has a backup camera. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the side of it there are buttons here for the media as well as your display, and you also have your cruise control located here. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages as well as your odometer reading, the temperature outside and the direction you're facing as well. And in the center you have a little cubby in the center so that you can put items in there securely and close it up. There's your air vents. You've got heated seats for driver and passenger. There's your outlet, hazard lights, and then you have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as your air conditioning, AC, and you also have rear defrost. And you've got the controls for the rear climate control and air back there. Down below you've got your display screen, so you're displaying your media, AM, FM, satellite radio, as well you've got your tuner, and there's your auxiliary line in and USB. You can go through the menu here, and you also have hands-free dialing, so you have different things that you can set up. And this is where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse. Down below you have a 12 volt and a bin to put things, as well as a couple of cup holders. You have an automatic shifter, and as well you have a little cubby there. Your armrest opens up, more storage down below. Off to the side you have glove compartment, and you have an auto dimming rear view mirror, garage door opener, and there's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you see this right here. You can put it up part way. I always have a difficult time doing that, but you'll find it easier. And then you can see what's going on in the back. There's also a grab handle on the passenger side to make it easier to get in. And not to forget, the moonroof that's up there, so we can just push the button and it'll slide right open. 19-inch wheels, chrome door handle, black side view mirror, driver's side fuel cap. In the back you have your backup camera up top, the windshield wiper, as well you have dual exhaust. When you want to open up that hatch, all you have to do is put your hand to the right of the Ram or Dodge logo, I should say, and there's the handle there. You just lift right up. And inside you're seeing one of the seats up and the other one down, so it's a 50-50 split in the back there. There's a 12 volt, and you also have a little bin underneath, so you can open this up, and there's cargo netting and other things that are located there. And then when you're ready to bring everything down, there's a handle to the right or the left, so you just put your hand in, pull down, and your hatch is now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote start and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in this row with a 60-40 split, and I've got the center seat down with the armrest with a couple of cup holders. And then you can slide these seats forward by pulling the lever, and it brings them back and forth in position, and then you pull the other lever at the back and that'll pop it down, and then you can pop it again out of the way. And there's a 50-50 split in the back, and I've got one down, one up, and you've also got cup holders there. And with these seats you have a lot of variations. They slide, they pop up, you have the center piece there, you can bring up or down, you can recline, so a lot of different options. And on the floor you have got bins on both sides, and you can open these up and there's storage in there. In the center you've got a 12 volt and a 110. There's hooks on the back of the seat, there's climate control there, as well as grab handles in the body and lighting. Privacy glass in the back windows, roof rack and rails, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.